Welcome to the Snowpark Series by Angela Harney. Session 8. Use a Snowflake Scala UDF on a Snowpark DataFrame. Watch all videos in this series in order to complete an entire solution for Snowpark. Angela Harney is a data engineer with extensive years of experience and is certified in Snowflake. We will call a Snowflake Scala UDF that executes on every row in a data frame. We will send an existing column value as parameters, and we will append the results of the UDF to a column in a data frame. The videos in this series are intended for you to be able to pause the video and follow the steps in detail. We will be calling the Scala UDF we created in a Snowflake stage in the last session. We will add the result from a UDF as a column to a data frame, one that accepts parameters and one that accepts no parameters. Please refer to Session 7, Create a Snowflake Scala UDF, and follow steps in detail to create the application shown here. Note, the application shown builds on a series of previous sessions as well. Copy line 25 and rename the data frame as shown here. Change the name of the column to be added to average speed. Then wrap the two column references in a call UDF method, with the first parameter being the name of the UDF. Note, you will need to put the Snowflake database.schema.function name as part of the reference in the name of the UDF. The stage where the UDF was created needs to be available to the Scala application. A session dependency is added to register the stage/jar file name along with an import of session.implicits. After you execute the application, the data frame results are saved to a table in Snowflake named Activity Performance. The average speed calculation from the UDF was added as an additional column to the table. Now let's add another column to the data frame from a UDF that requires no parameters. We will change the existing data to call a second UDF, adding a column named Default Speed. The code on line 31 has changed from a single line of code to multi-line. In Scala, this is done using parentheses to surround the code statement. Execute the application again to see both columns in the Activity Performance table in Snowflake.